Hello students, welcome to Geometry School. Student, today I will get you the current affair of the month April, and this is part third. Two parts of this month I have already covered, and the medium of the language will be in English. For which exam these current affairs will be helpful? These current affairs will be helpful for the RIMC exam, for which the exam will be held on 4th of June. 4th of June 2022. So hardly 1 month is remaining, and the current affairs section is a very important section in cracking the RIMC exam, because the around 25 to 30 questions directly come from this current affairs section. Okay, 25 to 30, and you have to score 38 marks out of 75 to crack individual cutoff of the RIMC. So you have to score 38 marks. Okay, and around 25 to 30 questions come from the current affairs section, remaining from the static GK, and they are also directly or indirectly related to current affairs. And another exam, Rashtriya Military Schools, the current affairs section weightage is very good over here also. Around 10 to 15 questions come from this section, current affair. And in Sainik School, the current affair weightage is not too much high, but around 5 to 6 questions come from this the section of current affairs. So all the exams, school level and test exams, nowadays it has been seen that the current affairs play a very vital role. Okay, so without delay, let's start. This is our official website. Okay, if you want live classes, hostel facility, recorded mock test, and other facilities, you can fill up this inquiry form and submit this. Our expert team will call you and guide you properly. Our foundation batch will start for the RIMC exam for the session of December 2022, and the date of launching this foundation batch, that is 10th of June. What you have to do this, you have to enroll in this batch, because there are very limited seats. If you want to seal your selection in the RIMC, then I suggest you please enroll in this batch, because this batch will be very helpful. In this batch you will get a knowledge of from basics to advanced. We will cover basic to advanced level of RIMC, including descriptive and other portion of the RIMC exam. So as you know, RIMC is a very prestigious school from where you can easily crack the NDA selections, and there is a job guarantee in RIMC exam. So you should not miss this chance. You have to finalize selection in this entrance exam. If you do so, then your career is secured. Okay, so we provide hostel facilities also. What can you do for the hostel facility? Call on this number. Our cell will provide everything about our hostel facilities. This is our classroom, bedroom, computer lab, main building, playgrounds, and we provide the hostel facilities for all the school entrance tests. Regarding, it is not mandatory that you have to choose a year plan. Okay, you can go for 6-month plan. Okay, 6-month plan, 2-month plan, 3-month plan. But I suggest you at least minimum you should avail 6-month plan, because in 1 month, 2 month, the result will be not effective as in 6-month or yearly plan. Okay, you can join the Telegram group through scanning this QR code from Google Lens. Okay, you have to scan this QR code. All right. If you want to join live classes, how can you join? Just dial these numbers 708882711122, and our cell will connect you to the live class of RIMC, RMS, and Sainik School. Before joining in the live class, we will provide 2 live class free, and if you satisfied with the free live class, then join the full course. Otherwise, it depends on you. These are our recorded courses. You can avail these courses also. Okay, these are our recorded courses and test series. These are test series. You can avail these test series also. So today we will do part 3rd of the April month 2022, and this was the previous videos burning question. The question was very important. These books are award-winning book, Booker Prize. All the books are Booker Prize. All the authors receive Booker Prize for the authoring these books. Okay, so The White Tiger is written by Arvind Adiga. This one. In a Free State is written by V.S. Naipaul. The God of Small Thing, Arundhati Roy. Midnight Children, Salman Rushdie. The Inheritance of Lost, Kiran Desai. Okay, this is the proper matching. Only one student gave the answer, and I am sure that student is very brilliant. He is doing his preparation in a very serious manner. Okay, so I request all the students should answer these questions, because this question is very important. This question is very important. These questions cover around 10 questions. Okay, now today's question number 1. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu conferred the International Gandhi Award for Leprosy 2021 to. So, the International Gandhi Award for Leprosy is provided to Dr. Bhushan Kumar. Dr. Bhushan Kumar. Okay, the correct answer is C. And Venkaiah Naidu is the present Vice President, and he is the Chief of Rajya Sabha. He is the Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Okay, he is the Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Okay, he is the Chairman of Rajya Sabha. And who was our first Vice President? Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was our first Vice President. Okay, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was our first Vice President, whose birthday is observed as National Teachers Day, 5 September. National Teachers Day. And when do we celebrate Leprosy Day? Leprosy Day is celebrated 30th January. 30th January is death day of our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Next question. Which country will host Street Child Cricket World Cup in 2023? So the country is India. The country is India. And the Cricket World Cup of 2023, Cricket World Cup, Men's Cricket World Cup, will be hosted by India. You have to remember this one also. 2023 Cricket World Cup, Men's Cricket World Cup, One Day Cricket World Cup, that will be hosted by India. Sajjan Prakash is associated with which sport? So Sajjan Prakash is associated with swimming. Correct answer is swimming. Okay. And why is in news? Because he has won gold in Danish Open. He has won gold medal in Danish Open. Danish, that is Denmark Open. Okay, Danish Open is that is Denmark Open. Ashes Test Match Series held annually between. So there is a name of Test Match Series, that is Ashes. Okay, so Ashes Test Series held between which two nations? One is England and other is Australia. One is England and another is Australia. And why it is important? Because these terms generally ask Ashes. Okay, and this is a Test Match Series. And after the England captain Joe Root steps down after a humiliating defeat in this series from Australia. Okay, Joe Root steps down from the captaincy of England team. Next question. UDAN is a regional connectivity scheme. What is D in UDAN? So UDAN is a regional connectivity scheme, and D is Desh. And what is the full form of UDAN? उड़े देश का आम नागरिक. U means उड़े, D means देश, A means आम नागरिक. उड़े देश का आम नागरिक. This is the full form of UDAN. And UDAN is a RCS, Regional Connectivity Scheme, under the National Civil Aviation Policy launched in 2016. And what is the objective of this scheme? The objective of this scheme is to connect small and medium cities, with big cities through air service. Small and medium cities to big cities, like as a small city that is Gorakhpur. Okay, Gorakhpur is a small city in Uttar Pradesh, and the assembly seat of Yogi Adityanath, and you want to connect, government of India want to connect it to Delhi, so it will be connected through the scheme Udan. Next, what is the name of India's first internet radio for visually challenged? The answer is Radio Ux. Radio Ux. And who was the inventor of radio? G. Marconi. You have to remember this name. Very important question. G. Marconi. Guglielmo Marconi. Okay, G. Marconi. Okay, and generally the question comes G. Marconi. Is the capital city of Uruguay? So the capital city of Uruguay is Montevideo. Antananarivo is the Madagascar capital. Santiago, that is Chile. Lusaka is Zambia. Okay, these are all African countries, so you have to remember this because country and capitals asked in RIMC, RMS and Sainik school frequently. These are very important. All the capitals are very important. Each year World Heritage Day is observed on. So each year World Heritage Day is observed on 18th of April. And which organization celebrate this World Heritage Day? That is UNESCO. UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific, Cultural Organization. That's headquarters is in Paris, the capital city of France. Okay. Next, and the theme for the year 2022, Heritage and Climate. For theme for the year 2022, Heritage and Climate. Which nation has become the first country to successfully shoot down drones with iron beam laser interceptor? So from this technique, this country will shoot down drones, because nowadays drones are very dangerous than fighter jets and other weapons. Drone is becoming a very important weapon in war. Okay, so the correct answer is Israel. And who is the Prime Minister of Israel? Israel Prime Minister is Naftali Bennett. He replaced Benjamin Netanyahu. Okay, Naftali Bennett is the current Prime Minister of Israel, and Israel currency is shekel. SHEKEL, shekel. Who has been appointed as the new army chief? Yes, he has been appointed as 29th army chief. So the current army chief is 29th army chief. The answer is Manoj Pandey. Okay, and he replaced Manoj also. And the previous one was also Manoj Mukund Narwane. Manoj replaced Manoj. So Manoj Mukund Narwane replaced by Manoj Pandey. And there is another Manoj, Lieutenant General Manoj Kumar Katiyar, Director General of Military Operation, DGMO. Director General of Military Operation is Manoj Kumar Katiyar. Okay, probably after some time he will be the next army chief. Okay, now Director General of Military Operation is Manoj Kumar Katiyar. Our army chief is Manoj Kumar Pandey. The previous one was Manoj Mukund Narwane. VR Chaudhary, our Air Force chief. R Hari Kumar, our naval chief. Okay, and when do we observe Army Day? 15 January Army Day, and 4th December Navy Day, and 8 October Air Force Day. Okay, next. The boy who wrote the Constitution book is authored by. So the boy who wrote the Constitution book is authored by Rajesh Talwar. The correct answer is Rajesh Talwar. And since the word Constitution is used, so the book is written upon which person? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, chief architect of our Constitution, and he was the member of drafting committee of the Constitution. Father of Indian Constitution is B.R. Ambedkar. The most important question is who was the chairman of drafting committee of Indian Constitution. So B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of drafting committee of Indian Constitution. EDAR portal has been launched by which ministry? So EDAR portal is launched by Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Option number D is the right answer. And what is the full form of EDAR? EDAR is E electronic. E means electronic. This E is electronic, and D detailed accident report. Electronic detailed accident report. So what will this portal do? EDAR portal to speed up accident compensation claim. The government has launched to speed up accidental compensation claims. Okay, now when a person get accidented, then to get the claim, to get accident claim, he faces so many difficulties. Okay, and most of the times the claim is rejected. But if the family member of any person or any other unknown person will upload the detail of accidented person, then he can get claims easily. Okay, next question. First ever Semicon India 2022 conference will be organized at which place? So the conference will be organized at Bengaluru, and Bengaluru is the space city of India, garden city of India. The capital city Bengaluru is capital city of Karnataka. And what is Semicon India? As Semicon India 3-day conference to make India a significant player in semiconductor, in the field of semiconductor. Okay, in the field of manufacturing the semiconductor chain. Ravi Daya is associated with which sports? So Ravi Daya is associated with wrestling. Ravi Daya is associated with wrestling. So correct answer is A. And another important wrestler, that is Bajrang Punia. Okay, Bajrang Punia. And Ravi Daya and Bajrang Punia won the medal in Mongolia Wrestling Championship. Mongolia Wrestling Championship. Mongolia capital Ulaanbaatar. Which state's team won the 12th Senior Men's National Hockey Championship? So the team is Haryana. And most of the wrestlers come from the Haryana. So you can guess these types of questions also. So Haryana defeat Tamil Nadu. Okay, Haryana defeats Tamil Nadu. And who is the governor of Haryana? Bandaru Dattaria. Bandaru Dattaria is the governor of Haryana. Manohar Lal Khattar is the chief minister. Our foundation batch will start from 10th June. So join this batch because there are limited seats. And if you join this batch, the chances of your selection will get increased to 200%. If your chances is 5%, then you will get an increment of 200% in the chances of your selections. So don't miss this opportunity. Just you have to crack the RIMC at any cost. So don't rely on one material, that is your PDF books and that is YouTube material. YouTube material is not sufficient to crack the RIMC. You have to take dedicated classes for the RIMC. Okay, and this foundation batch will be for December. In December 2020, the exam will be held on 18th December. National level pollution response exercise, Net Polrex 8 being conducted by. So the exercise is conducted by Indian Coast Guard. Okay, Indian Coast Guard, ICG, Indian Coast Guard. And when do we National Pollution Control Day? When do we observe National Pollution Control Day? 2nd December is observed National Pollution Control Day. Why? Because on this day, Bhopal gas tragedy, 2nd December 1984 happened. And with gas release in Bhopal gas tragedy, that is methyl isocyanate. You have to remember this gas name also. Methyl isocyanate. Okay, methyl isocyanate. And National Pollution Response Exercise NETFLEX is conducted by Indian Coast Guard. What is the total length of India from north to south? So the total length of India from north to south is 3214 km. This is a static GK question. And from east to west 2933. So A is the right answer. India's first portable solar rooftop system unveiled in which city? So India's first portable solar rooftop system unveiled in Gandhinagar, the capital city of Gujarat. And it was unveiled at Swami Narayan Akshardham Temple complex. Swami Narayan Akshardham Temple in Gandhinagar. Border Road Organization will construct the world highest tunnel at Sinkula Pass, which will connect. So, this will connect Himachal Pradesh to Ladakh. Himachal Pradesh to Ladakh, and this will be the at the highest. What will be the height? 16,580 feet. The tunnel will be at a height of 16,580 feet, and world highest, and it will be completed by 2025. So BRO will complete it by 2025, and it is at a height of 16,580 feet. World's first crypto-backed payment card is launched by Nexo and which company? So crypto-backed, that is crypto-backed means cryptocurrency. So cryptocurrency like as Bitcoin. Okay. Which company? That is Mastercard. That is Mastercard. Okay, Mastercard. Next question. India's first pure green hydrogen plant will commissioned in which state? It will be commissioned in Assam. It will be commissioned in Assam. Sorry. Yes, it will be commissioned in Assam. Yes, right answer is Assam. And in which district? In Jorhat district of Assam. So India's pure green hydrogen plant will be commissioned in Jorhat district of Assam. So just correct this answer. This option will be A. World largest three-wheeler electric EV means electric vehicle making plant will be established in which states? So world largest three-wheeler electric vehicle will be in Telangana. D is the right answer. 21st April is celebrated as which day? So 21st April is Civil Service Day. And you have to correct the civil service exam also. And your exam, that is RIMC, is the level is a mini UPSC, mini civil service exam. If you do so, then it will be very easy for you to crack the NDA. And NDA is also a civil service exam. Okay, so Civil Service Day is 21st April. And why do we celebrate this day on 21st April? Because on this day, our first Home Minister Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel addressed the newly formed and newly appointed Administrative Service Officer in 1947. Okay, our first Home Minister on 21st April. That's why we celebrate 21st April as Civil Service Day. Namdapha National Park. So Namdapha National Park is situated in Arunachal Pradesh. And Arunachal Pradesh shares its border with China. And what is the name of this border? McMahon line. McMahon line is the border between India and China. Arunachal Pradesh capital is Itanagar. D is the right answer. Is the smallest union territory of India in area as well as population. So smallest union territory is Lakshadweep. So which is the largest union territory? Andaman and Nicobar is the largest. Lakshadweep is the smallest, that is option number D. And Delhi is the most populous. Delhi is the most populous. And which is the least populous? Lakshadweep. Which is the biggest in area? Andaman Nicobar. Which is the least in area? Lakshadweep. Okay. These are some important static GK about union territories. Next question. So today's last question as well as the burning question. Very important question I brought to you. Is the largest planet among inner planets of our solar system? Very important question. Please answer this question in the comment box. Because if maximum students give this answer in the comment box, so they will get this question in their memory, and this question is very important for RIMC type exam. These are our courses, recorded courses. You can avail these courses if you want a preparation in a very limited time. These are our test series. You can avail the test series also, and you can solve this question from Maths Booster. We have uploaded sample papers, and these are free of cost. There is no charges for the Maths Booster. You can avail the questions from this. If you like the video, then just share the video. Like the video, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, because if you do so, when I upload the video, you will get the notification of that video. And don't do a mistake to watch all the videos before 2 to 3 days. That will not work anything for you. That will be a waste of time, because current affair static GK is a continuous process. You have to remember it as much as you can. And you have to remember, when I upload the video, just watch the video 2 to 3 times, and then attend the quiz that we upload on our website. Okay students, If you have any doubt, you can call on this number. So all the best for your RIMC of the 4th June. Thanks for watching.